This is Wes, aka the Grillin' Villain from Somerset Grills, and it's Food Friday. On this Food Friday, we're going to have marinated chicken legs. Some people call them drumsticks. We're going to cook them up today. We're going to make our own marinade, and it's a great day to grill, and we hope you get out and grill with your family too. We're going to start by making our special marinade today, and we're going to use the following ingredients: soy sauce, balsamic dressing, fresh garlic, olive oil, lemon juice, onion salt and regular salt, and our hot sauce we're going to be using Cholula. Throw that in there, and then we're going to throw in some orange juice on top. And we're going to go ahead and we're going to mix that up. And as usual, we'll be cooking on the American Muscle Grill 36-inch. I've gone ahead and thrown my lump coal in there. Let's go ahead and crank this baby on. Got 110,000 BTUs. We'll let that run for about 3 or 4 minutes. I'll shut it off, and then all our solid fuels will be combusted. And remember, the American Muscle Grill is $1,000 off this week at any of our dealers across the country. Okay, at this point, we're going to go ahead and we're going to put our chicken in a large bag, and we're going to mix it with our marinade. We're going to grab into our drawer here in the West cart. Grab a 2-gallon bag here. I've tried it in a smaller one. It gets a little messy. We'll go ahead and put our chicken legs in here. I'm going to set that like such. And we're going to go ahead and we're going to put our marinade over the chicken. Go ahead and take some of the air out of it. And we are going to go ahead and we're going to mix this up. Get this marinade all over our chicken legs, and I'm going to go ahead and I'm going to put this in the refrigerator for about 2 hours. Go ahead and dump my marinated chicken legs on the American Muscle Grill. Woohoo! I've had the chicken on the American Muscle Grill for probably about 25-30 minutes, rotating the chicken, keep it evenly charred. I'm going to grab them off the grill right now. Oh, does that smell good? Okay, I've just pulled my marinated chicken legs off the grill, and we're going to pair that today with an Alpine Beer Company beer out of San Diego. It's called the DUET. Their motto is the home of hoppiness, and do it all night long. So we're going to crack this baby open and see if it's any good. I'm always good at this part. We'll throw that in there. Oh yeah, nice tilted pour. Oh yeah. Let's see if this is going to be any good. That's a good one. That's a good one. I could do it all night long with this. This is the favorite part of Food Friday. This is where I get to taste this beautifully cooked, grilled chicken with that nice marinade rub on it. I'm going to take a bite here right now. Oh man, you can taste the char on the chicken. You can taste the flavor, the spices. Everything in here is just really, really nice tasting. I think your friends and family are going to enjoy it. I'm going to have another bite. I'm going to have another drink of beer too. Okay, we're through. We're done. We'll see you next week on Food Friday. Hey grillers, follow us on Instagram to be entered in our weekly giveaway. Remember, get out there and grill this weekend with your friends and your family. Have a good time and take a picture of what you're cooking. Go ahead and post it to Instagram. Tag us at Somerset Grills and you'll get a free t-shirt.